How to fix Borderlands 3 lag issues on Windows. Part 1. Check then troubleshoot potential network problems. Fix 1. Restart your modem and router. Fix 2. Renew IP address. Commands include IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flush. Fix 3. Change DNS server. Fix 4. Close bandwidth hogging applications. Fix 5. Swap Wi-Fi to an Ethernet connection. Fix 6. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. Part 2. Troubleshoot frame rate problems. Fix 1. Update your graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Fix 2. Modify in-game settings. 2.1 in the basic tab, set display mode to full screen. 2.2 in the advanced tab, graphics API, DirectX 11. Overall quality, medium. Note, if your hardware is a bit old, set it to low or very low. Anti-aliasing, FXAA. Fidelity FX sharpening, on. Camera motion blur, off. Object motion blur, off. Texture streaming, ultra. Anisotropic filtering, 16 times. Material complexity, medium. Fix 3, disable full screen optimizations. Like this.